Welcome back to Marcel Soaps. My name is Marcel and this is a Galaxy soap making video. As always, I started by preparing all the oils together and add lye water to the oil. I have always wanted to make this Galaxy soap. It's simple, yet very fascinating. Now, definitely it's so difficult to see stars moving in the sky. I'm in the city, and most of all, I don't seem to look up the skies at all at night, because there's nothing to see. But I remember when I was young, I used to watch the sky at night for like an hour. The sky was full of stars and it was amazing. I am pretty sure that we all have that kind of moment where we just stare at the skies at night for like an hour. Or if you're so lucky, then you can still look at the skies and enjoy the stars every night. Now, after adding the fragrance oil, I divided the soap into 5 different batches. It's better to add more subtle colors to the black, so I added some vibrant colors. I poured the soap and you can see the soap already passed medium trace. I wanted to have that medium trace so that I could keep the swirls that I have made. After then, I splattered the silver mica oil on the surface. I added some sweet almond oil to the mica and splattered with my tiny brush. Now it's cutting. I don't know if you can tell, but my soap is pretty shiny there. It's because I steamed the surface of the soap to get rid of the soda ash. Soda ash doesn't affect the soap's quality, it's just aesthetic. I beveled the soap this time with the beveler that I got recently. I usually have lots of design on my soap, so sometimes the soap does not have even surface, which makes hard to bevel the soap. But this time I didn't have any trouble beveling the soap, since the surface is flat. Also, I decided to splatter more stars. The soap came up a little bit darker than I thought, so I wanted to decorate more. Here is the final look of the soap. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I wish I could add more vibrant colors so I can see more blue and purple, but still I'm very satisfied. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.